Odisha State Maritime Museum, established on 18th May of 2007. Visit time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. of evening. It remains closed on Monday. Parking facility and locker is available. This museum has been set up at this Jobra Workshop, which was set up in 1869 by British administration. Cuttack was the important center of trade and commerce at that time. Balijatra festival also held every year on this memory of Odisha Maritime. This museum has a beautiful aquarium and also runs 4D shows. It has beautiful garden inside it, a cafe for foods, and a library with collection of books which you can read to know about our mighty maritime history. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Happy Buzz, learn something new.